Hello everyone. In environmental engineering first, the next topic is metrology and dispersion modeling, air quality and metrology means the dispersion of air pollutants or mixing heights. As we have seen, the dispersion of pollutants or air pollutants is mainly controlled by the environmental lapse rate and adiabatic lapse rate. Okay, and the primary meteorological parameters are the wind speed, wind direction, atmospheric stability. The secondary meteorological parameter of dispersion, ठीक है, sunlight, temperature, precipitation and humidity, topography, energy from the sun and earth's rotation drives atmospheric circulation. The next one is the stability of the atmospheric air pollutants is the example of atmosphere in neutral axis. Okay, then this is the type of coning means coning plume is nothing but the gas which is emitted into the air from an industry. The figure shown is the industrial coning. Okay, the gas which is emitted from this coning is called as the plume. Okay, and the source of the pollutants is called as a stack. Okay, this is the chimney. Okay, showing in figure. Okay, and the gas which is emitted into the air from and this chimney. Okay, that's called as a plume. Okay, the coning plume is nothing but the natural plume tends to cone as shown in the figure. Okay, when the wind velocity is greater than 32 kilometer per hours and when the solar radiation is blocked by overcast condition of sky, that is thick cloud over during the day and terrestrial radiation at night. Okay, and these may occur when elr means the environmental lapse rate. Okay, plumes spreads equally in the vertical and horizontal as it propagates downstream, forming a coning plume. Okay, when its plume spreads equally in the vertically or and horizontally as it propagates the downstream, forming a coning plume. Okay, the next one is the example of the coning plume. Next is the looping means that this type of plume is observed in case of super adiabatic condition, that is when environmental lapse rate is more than adiabatic lapse rate. The atmosphere is in unstable condition. Looping is observed when the atmosphere is in unstable condition, less wind speed, strong and moderate radiation, daytime mechanical turbulence is enhanced. Okay, and a high probability of high concentration spondy sorry and at a ground level close to stack. Okay, the next one is the example of the looping. Okay, and this since lapse rate more positive than tau is the atmosphere is stable. Okay, the next one is fanning plume means that this is observed under very high negative lapse rate condition, that is inversion condition. Fanning plume is observed when the negative lapse rate condition is observed, means the that is in inversion conditions fanning plume is observed. The plume would be spread horizontally. Okay, this fanning plume is spread horizontally as the atmosphere is stable. This also creates the dangerous pollution condition. Okay, this fanning plume is observed under very high negative lapse rate and also that is the inversion condition, and this also creates dangerous pollution condition. Okay, then next one is the temperature inversion, extreme case of stability when lapse rate is actually positive, that is temperature increases with altitude. Okay, when temperature increases also altitude increases, resulting temperature inversion prevents nearly all upward mixing. Okay, the figure shows the temperature in a horizontal axis the temperature and in vertical axis the height of the altitude. Okay, then next one is the fanning. Okay, fanning plume. In fanning plume, this is observed under very high negative lapse rate. In previous I will explain that the fanning plume usually occurs at night or 1200 meter to 1800 meter above ground. There is a high ground concentration. If stack is short or if plume moves through a rugged terrain, occurs in a stable inversion atmospheric condition. Okay, this is also creates a dangerous pollution condition. Okay, next one is the lofting plume. Lofting plume lofting plume which there is a strong super adiabatic lapse rate above the surface inversion. The plume is said to be lofting. It has maximum downward mixing and maximum upward mixing. Okay, in lofting plume. Okay, this creates most ideal condition for dispersion of pollutants. This creates most ideal condition for dispersion of pollutants. This figure showing the lofting plume. Okay, lofting plume is when there is a strong super adiabatic lapse rate above the surface inversion. The plume is said to be lofting. Okay, the next one is the fumigation. Okay, fumigating plume means what? The when at the top of the stack the inversion layer occurs. Okay, when at the top of the stack the inversion layer occurs, there is a fumigating plume. Okay, or fumigation plume. Most dangerous plume is the most dangerous plume. Okay, and the contaminants are all coming down to the ground level. Their contaminants are coming down to the ground level. Okay, this leads to high concentration of pollutants in the air below the height of the stack. It is a dangerous condition of air pollution. Is the most dangerous condition of the air pollution, fumigated plume. Okay, this happens most often after the daylight sun has warmed the atmosphere. Okay, and which turns a nighttime fanning plume into fumigation for about a half an hour. Okay, the next one is the effect of lapse rate on plumes. The first one is the coning, looping, lofting, fanning and fumigation. There are different lapse rates on plumes. Is the figure showing the effect of lapse rate on plumes. Okay, thank you. These are the different dispersion of air pollutants or mixing heights. And the question is asked in exam of this point is explain the various condition of plume with sketch. So you can draw these type of four types of sketches as you as asked in examination question. Okay, thank you everyone.